Hello, I'm Robert Del Grande. Great cooking can be quick and simple if you have the right ingredients on hand. One of my favorite on-hand ingredients is California figs. Fresh California figs, when they're in season, are so fabulous. But dried California figs are a delicious ingredient you'll love to have in your pantry all year round. I keep mine next to my salt and pepper, so I know they're always there when I want to embellish a dish. Here's a nice embellishment for a grain salad. First, I have some cooked quinoa, and now for the embellishment. Here's a little bit of garlic, chopped garlic. We're going to saute in hot olive oil, some onion, a little touch of fennel seed, which gives us a great kind of aromatic, meaty flavor. And then, of course, my favorite, some dried figs, which we're going to all cook together and let slowly caramelize and develop all those flavors. Smells good already. So when the onions and the garlic and the figs have beautifully caramelized, we'll add a little bit of kale, which we're just going to wilt in the pan and let all those flavors come together. Just enough to coat it, and then we're going to add it to our grain salad. Dip it in. And then just lightly toss the salad with all the greens in there. We'll add a little touch of vinaigrette. And it's ready to go. So I'll put it here in the bowl. The beautiful caramelized fig and onion and kale and the beautiful nutritious quinoa. Lovely. A little Parmesan cheese over the top. And if you'd like, a couple crushed almonds. And there you have a grain salad that's embellished to the fullest. So there you have a great dish that's quick and simple if you have the right ingredients on hand. Next time you're at the market, be sure you pick up some California dried figs. Figs make a simple dish delicious. And when you think delicious, think figs. And when you think figs, think California.